Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I'll be showing you what are the new changes with sidebar in macOS 26 Tahoe along with NSBackgroundExtensionView. So let's get started. So first I will show you an output without NSBackgroundExtensionView. So here is the output. Here you can see I'm displaying an image, and the image which gets overlapped on our sidebar gets a little bit blurred. So that's what that's what the first output is all about. So let's see how to achieve this. I have created a macOS application using Xcode. I am using AppKit. I am not using SwiftUI. So first here we have imported Cocoa. Then here we are extending from NSSplitView controller, and here you can see we have this sidebar view controller. Here we have this NSSplitView item. Here we have set minimum thickness and can collapse as well, and then here we set the content view controller and NSSplitView item. Now this is a very important property of automatically adjust safe area inside. If you don't give this property, so suppose if I just comment this property, then your image view will not overlap on your, or it will not slide under your sidebar. So you would see a very weird output. Here you can see your sidebar is on one side and your image is on the other side, so which is not actually advisable on macOS 26. So that's why we require this particular property. Then we add our content view to our split view. Okay, then here is our sidebar. So here I have just taken one NS text field, give it some font alignment and NS layout constraint, and here is our content view controller. Here you can see inside assets, let me quickly show it to you. Okay, I think yeah, here I have just added an image with the name BG. You can add your own image. So that's what we are loading over here, and here we are just displaying that image. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now let's see the other option. So I'll just comment this content view controller and I'll display another content view controller. Here it uses this NSBackgroundExtensionView. So this is a new API in native macOS 26. So I'll just play show you guys the output first. So here again we are using this NSBackgroundExtensionView, but the advantage, so here you can see we are getting this main content, right? And this whatever content you have, so I don't have an image, but it automatically gets what should I say, it kind of feels like it is below our sidebar as well. So if I just minimize it and bring it back, here you can see there is a green color background to our sidebar. It is basically blurring out whatever our main content is. Now in my case, my main content is just this particular label. That's why you are only seeing that much, but if you have lot of other content, it will make a blur out of that as well. So that's the advantage of NSBackgroundExtensionView. And the other one is it has something called content view. So whatever you apply to your content view will automatically ignore this sidebar, and it will display it inside perfectly inside your content. So that's the advantage of it. So here you can see we are using NSBackgroundExtensionView. Here this is an important property, but I did notice one bug with this. Sometimes it displays this background blur beneath our sidebar, but sometimes it doesn't display. That's what I have noticed. Again, I'm using macOS Tahoe 26. Maybe in 26.1 version they might finally fix it. Then here we set some NS layout constraints. Here is our NS view, and inside our NS view, the important thing is we are setting the content of our NS view to our background.content view. So you can't just do background.add sub view. Don't do that. You can do it, but that's a bad practice. You have to use background view.content view equal to content. Then here we are just setting the label as well. So yeah, and we are adding the label to our content, not to our background view. We are adding the content to our background view's content view. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.